Hi there, welcome to this week's video vlog. Today we're in downtown Providence, Rhode Island. We're going to be talking to you about the challenges of maintaining an urban landscape.
One of the first things we look for on this property is to make sure all the signage is clear, people can see it from the important vantage point. This sign right now is pretty close to the tree. The tree's really gotten much larger, and for us to keep pruning it, it would really become a one-sided tree and it would look ugly, and we really want it to be full and grow in the way that it should. So the recommendation we're going to make today for this sign is for it to actually move over into the middle of the bed so that the oncoming traffic have a better chance of seeing the sign and we're not doing too much damage long-term to this particular area.
The next thing we want to talk about is keeping your sidewalks and walkways clear of any overhanging branches. We don't want any bodily injury to occur to anyone on your property, so what we're going to do is go ahead and prune this tree, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like after it's pruned. As you can see, we've pruned the obstructing branches, so now overall it will be healthier for the plant and the pedestrians as they walk by on this sidewalk.
Another challenge we face in an urban landscape on a commercial property is plow damage. This particular elm, as you can see, significant scar on it. This past winter, got biffed pretty good by a snow plow. But as you can see, the cambium layer is growing in nicely here. That's because earlier in the spring, we cleaned up the jagged cut. As long as you have, bypass pruners or a sharp knife, if you create a straight edge wherever the cut may be, that's going to encourage the cambium layer to grow inwards. You can liken it to if you cut your hand, a slice will heal better than a jagged cut. So that's one thing to keep in mind.
One of the other challenges that we face in a commercial property, when there are a lot of cars and you've got a mature landscape, is line of sight. As you can tell, this is a really mature yew hedge, and it does a great job blocking out traffic from the street and the noise. But as it wraps around and encases this visitor parking area, it causes an issue with cars pulling in and leaving, so that there could be the potential of an accident. So what we ended up doing was removing part of this larger, more mature hedge and transplanting it into a location on the other side of the property, and then brought in these smaller, less mature yews, so that now people are leaving and entering the visitor parking have a clear line of sight, they know where they're going, they're not going to have an accident.
So thanks for watching the video blog today. We decided to do it on the urban environment because we find that most of the problems you'll find here will also occur in your own yard. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them on our blog. And for all of us at the Garden Continuum, thanks for watching.